There's lots in the way for everybody. I think a lot of white folk are afraid. Afraid of exposing an ignorance, afraid of offending someone, afraid of getting beat up around the ears for the sins of one's ancestors. And the fear keeps you immobilized. The cultural conditioning is to delegate it. Send an email to Jim Baird Jacobs and hopefully he'll take care of it. It's kind of like you've been skipping leg day for life. And now we're saying we want you to come to the gym and do squats. And it doesn't sound good. It sounds terrifying, especially your first day doing leg day in front of all these people. So the message is, be brave. Don't skip the gym. If you have someone else do all your workouts for you, guess what happens? You atrophy, they get stronger, and you feel out of your depth for generation upon generation. Come to the gym. I will spot you. And the funniest thing happens when you start coming to the gym, and by the way, I cannot promise it'll feel great. Sometimes it feels not great. 330 million people in America, someone will go sideways sometimes. Hold space, be patient and understanding of their humanity, and come to the gym anyways. Because if you keep coming to the gym, you acclimate to that and the workout starts to feel good. You're going to want more workout. You're going to want more weight stacked on the bar. You will get stronger and you will be ready to do your part of the lift. And for everybody else, you're all hulked out because you're the only one who's been going to the gym trying to make things happen, and they are angry. They're so angry at how unfair it is. They're so frustrated and exhausted from the continual effort. Do I really have to explain it again? Do I really have to wait patiently again when I don't get to live as long? How reasonable is that request? And so the message there is, explain it again. Come to the gym. Not just for your own workout regimen, but to spot others too. That doesn't mean you're going to do their workout for them. They got to do their own lift. But the only way through this stuff is together.